Hi, I'm Jackie Herr, and I'm with Grand Canyon University. I'm their local advisor, and I've been volunteering with the Reality Store for about 7 or 8 years now, and I absolutely love it, and I want to encourage you to do the same thing. Whether you're new or you've been there several times, you are going to love the experience, and it's always different every year. One of the great things is that it's very organized, and you feel so welcome when you first walk in. And then you get to interact with these great kids who have all dressed up and are so eager to do their best. And we really try to encourage them to, make good decisions, but they're their decisions. And they get to learn from the opportunities and the situations, and they may run out of money, and that's okay because they're going to learn from that. I have had the opportunity to sit at the life coach table, and it's really great to see them really think about, okay, do I want a part-time job, which is maybe a temporary fix, or do I want to maybe get my next degree? And a lot of times they realize that education is so important. You are not going to ever have anyone take that from you. So I just encourage you to come to the Reality Store. You get opportunities to interact with other people that are there. And it's just such a fun day, and you get some free food too, and some giveaways. So thanks so much, and just reach out to the chamber office, and we have training available for you. And encourage your friends. Talk to your friends. They would love to come do this day with you. I always invite my dad and my sister to come along, and it's just such a great day, not only for the volunteers but really for the kids. They learn so much, and they carry that with them for years. So thank you.